Hey everyone, my name's Ali and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. Today on Mindful Living, I'm back with a brand new recipe video, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 different ways to make healthy and delicious pasta salad in a jar. This recipe is perfect for packed lunches or an easy on-the-go meal, and you can make it ahead of time and then store it in your refrigerator for up to 5 days. Pasta salad is super versatile and you can really use whatever veggies you have on hand in the fridge. So let's go ahead and get started with today's recipe. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead here and start boiling my pasta. I'm using this tricolor rotini for my pasta salad today. Once it's done boiling, you're gonna go ahead and strain the pasta and let that come to room temperature. While the pasta is cooling, we're gonna get started on our dressing. I'm using 1/3 a cup of olive oil here, and to that I am adding 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. From there, I'm just adding in a little bit of salt and pepper, followed by garlic powder. You can also feel free to use fresh garlic here. And then some herbs of your choices. I'm using oregano and basil, a good squeeze of lemon, and last but not least is just a little drizzle of honey to add some sweetness. We're gonna mix that all until everything is well combined, and I will be making 2 different pasta salads today, but both of them are gonna use the same dressing. From there, we're gonna get started on chopping up our veggies. You guys can use whatever vegetables you have on hand. I'm using cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, red pepper, along with some fresh dill and fresh parsley. One of my pasta salads will be more Greek inspired and the other will be more Italian inspired. I'll also be adding to one of my salads these little pieces of salami. I've just chopped 2 pepperettes up here, but you could also add in any cold meat of your choice. And the last thing I'll be adding to my pasta salads is 2 different types of cheeses. I have bocconcini and feta cheese here. Okay, and that's all the ingredients you're going to need today for the recipe. But like I said, it is versatile and you can really add or take away anything you like. Okay, let's go ahead and start assembling the pasta salads. So the first pasta salad I'm making here is my Greek-inspired pasta salad, and I'm going to start by just pouring a little bit of the dressing in the bottom of the jar. Go ahead and add your pasta on top. I like to assemble my jars this way and not mix everything together ahead of time, and that's because we're going to be storing this in the fridge for a few days. We don't want it to go soggy, and you can simply shake up the jar before you're going to eat it, and it keeps all of the vegetables more crisp as well. Now I'm just adding in my veggies. I'm doing some red onion, tomatoes, and cucumber in my Greek pasta salad. From there, I'm topping it with some fresh dill, and I do recommend fresh for this. It really adds in tons of flavor. And lastly, I'll be adding in some crumbled pieces of feta cheese. You can put as much or as little as you like here. And there you have it, a really simple and easy throw together Greek pasta salad. This pasta dish is bursting with tons of fresh flavor. I love the flavor combination between the dill and the feta cheese. And there's tons of fresh vegetables as well, making it a really light and tasty lunch option. Okay, moving on to pasta salad number 2, which is an Italian-inspired pasta salad. Again, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the dressing in the bottom of the jars. From there, I'm adding in some pasta. And next, we're gonna be adding in all of our veggies. For this one, I am using red pepper, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and cucumber. Next, I'm adding in those little pieces of chopped salami, along with some chopped up parsley, and the last thing I'll be adding to the Italian pasta salad are these little mini pieces of mozzarella. Once that's done, go ahead and seal all of your pasta salads with a lid. These will keep in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, so you can snack on them throughout the week. You can take them to work with you or in the car on the go. I absolutely love changing up the flavorings between the pasta salads. It makes it a little bit different each day. So I tend to do a few of the Greek-inspired ones, a few of the Italian-inspired ones, and really just use whatever I have on hand to make it really simple and easy to meal prep. Of course, feel free to add any additional proteins to your pasta salad. You could add in some chicken or tofu or anything like that to just up the protein in this dish. So really have fun with it and make whatever kind of pasta salad you like. Well, I hope this video inspired you to get in your kitchen and do some meal prep for yourself for the week. Make sure to go back on my channel as well and check out the full video where I share with you guys food storage and meal prep tips for the week. And of course, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. It really does help to support me and my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next one.